Hello friends, my name is Vishal and in this short video I am going to tell you how to do cutout in image using CorelDRAW. So to begin with, let's create a new document. Import a bitmap in which you want to do cutout. Now let's say I want to do a cutout of this boat. So what I'll do is I'll quickly select the bitmap and click on the edit bitmap option, or you can go to bitmap and go to edit bitmap. So after clicking on edit bitmap, you will see the same image will get opened in Corel Photo Paint. So as you can see now, Corel Photo Paint is opened and the same image is open over here. Now to remove the background from the image, what I need to do is I need to go to image, cutout lab. When you click on the cutout lab option, it will open a separate dialog box. Now we need to make a quick mask over here. So as you can see, there is a nib size over here. So currently the nib size is very small, so I'm going to increase the nib size. I'm making it 20 and I'll zoom a bit, and very quickly I am going to make a mask over here. So after forming a outline of the mask, I will go to install inside fill tool. When I click over here, this will give me a clear idea that this outline is completely closed. It should not be an open outline. And now after filling this, we can click on the preview option. Now when I click on the preview option, it will give me a live preview that how the outlook will look like. So it will take some time because the image quality is of good resolution. Now have a look. Now this is something I got the output. Now if something comes extra, or maybe something delete extra over here, so I am having two brushes over here. So if something comes extra, I can use the minus brush, which will remove the detailing. And if by mistake something comes extra, I want to remove that. This is the option. Now if anything get deleted and I want to retrieve it back, so I can use the plus button over here, add details. Now with the help of this, I can bring that area which I want back. So without any selection, I am able to make a cutout over here. I need to make a slightly clean up the bottom part. Now once I am done, I'll not spend much time over here. I'll just quickly show it to you. And now click on the OK sign over here, and now you will see the output. Now when you click on the finish button over here, the same result you will find in CorelDRAW. Have a look. Just click on the finish editing and now click on yes. No need to save on any particular location, no need to save with any particular name. When you click on yes, automatically all the changes will appear in CorelDRAW. Have a look. If I put it something at the back, you will see without any selection I am able to make a cutout in the image. So I hope you have learned something new in this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.